Good morning and welcome to the general knowledge class. Hello students, I am your teacher Sini Shabu and today in general knowledge we will be doing chapter 1 I Spy. Do you know who is a spy? A spy is a person who finds hidden things. So your task today is to imagine that you are also a spy, and what is your task? For this, you need to open your book and take the chapter I Spy on page number 214. So children, which is this picture? This is a jungle picture and you can see various animals hiding. So the task you have to do is you have to find which are these animals. This is a help box with some names of animals. So you have to find the animal and circle the name. So let's see who this animal is. Well, it has lot of hairs on the head. I think it is a lion. What do you think, children? Yes, it's a lion, and we will put a circle on the name. Now, children, do you know that a lion has lot of hairs on his face? And do you know what it is called? Children, the hair of the lion is called mane, and the mane makes the lion look very royal. That's why the lion is called the king of the jungle. And you know what sound a lion makes? It roars. Okay, it roars. And you know what is the young one of a lion called? The young one of a lion is called a cub. The young one of a lion is called a cub. And children, the lion is a flesh eater. Flesh eater means the lion hunts other animals for its food. So children, we have found the first animal, lion. Now you can see an animal hiding behind the rock. Who is this animal? This is a rhinoceros. So children, it is a rhinoceros, and now that we have found the animal, what we have to do? We have to put a circle on the name. So this animal is a rhinoceros, and you find rhinoceros in India and Africa. In the Kaziranga National Park in Assam, you find the one-horned rhinoceros. So we find a lot of rhinoceros in India. Now you see a long nose. Which animal has a long nose, children? Yes, it is the elephant. And you know, elephant is such a huge animal. It has a long nose, and the nose is called the trunk. It is called the trunk of the elephant. Okay, and what sound does does an elephant make? It trumpets. It trumpets. And you know what is the young one of an elephant called? It's called the calf. It's called the calf. Now children, we have found 3 animals and some more animals are hiding. Let's move to the next animal. You can see 2 ears. Who is this animal? Well, it's the rabbit. It's the rabbit. So here is the rabbit, which is white in color, and it looks very lovable. And you know children, rabbits can also be kept as pet, and it likes to eat radish. So you can now put a circle around rabbit. Okay, so let's move to this small animal hiding behind the bush. This animal, children, can you guess who is it? It is the tortoise. It is which animal, children? It is the tortoise. So, here we find our fifth animal, tortoise, and you need to put a circle on the name, tortoise. Last but not the least, you find a tail. Now, which animal is this? This is the monkey. The monkey is a very naughty animal. So, it's the monkey. And the monkey likes swinging from one branch of the tree to the other. And the sound a monkey makes is chatters. It chatters. Okay? A monkey chatters. So, children, here is the monkey. So, you can put a circle around the name. And now, how many animals have we found? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could find 6 animals in the jungle. So, you all have done a very good task. And now, children, I have an activity for you. So, today we have found 6 animals and have learned some facts about these animals. Now, I have written a few words. You have to select the best word which describes the animal. So, let's move to the first animal we found today. It was lion. And children, is the lion timid, or is it ferocious, or is it beautiful? It is ferocious animal. Timid means shy, and lion is not shy. It is very ferocious. Ferocious means very aggressive. Okay? And what about the rabbit? Is it lovable, or is it kind, or is it strong? Well, children, a rabbit is a lovable animal. A rabbit is a lovable animal. And here we come to the elephant. And an elephant, is it a pet, or is it very thin, or is it a huge animal? Yes, children, it is a huge animal. It is very big, so it is a huge animal. The monkey, the naughty monkey, is it faithful, naughty, or fluffy? It is naughty. So the best word that describes monkey is naughty. Now it is rhinoceros. So which word will describe rhinoceros the best? Is it wild, soft, or tall? The rhino is a wild animal. So we have to put a circle, or we have selected wild as the best word that describes rhinoceros. And here you have the tortoise. So children, which word do you think tortoise, which word does describe tortoise the best? Is it dangerous, cunning, or slow? It is slow, because the tortoise moves very slowly. So the best word will be slow. So I hope you like the activity. And children, what is your homework? Your homework is you are going to complete page number 214 in book, as well as you have to paste any 3 animals that you have learned today in your GK notebook, as well as you have to write the sound and the home they live in the notebook itself. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.